The Business Information Systems is a Level 8 four-year honours degree. Students will learn how to design and implement a wide range of technologies, including programming, where they will learn CSS, HTML, SQL and Python, web design, cloud computing, and finally then design thinking. In Year 3, Semester 2, students will have the option to go on either Erasmus, which is the opportunity to study abroad in Europe, in a country like Germany, France or Spain, or they have the option to go on work placement with many companies in Ireland such as SAP, SAP and Dell Technologies. Graduates of this degree can expect to work in a wide range of roles, but not limited to business analysts, data analysts, cloud analysts, web design and software engineers.
I chose my programme because I liked the idea of work placement and I liked how it was more practical based and rather than theory based, as I was better at practical subjects rather than essay writing. I did my work placement in third year for Dell Technologies. I worked for Dell for 7 months. I worked as a software engineer where I built an application that tracked attendance. The college really helped because the theory that I had learned was very applicable in the job that I had in Dell, and it gave me a chance to really apply all the skills that I had learned, and it also gave me an opportunity to network and meet new people. The course has really suited me and has allowed me to grow my IT skills and my people skills, and the work placement was also a great bonus.
You come out with a trove of information on technology and from the business aspects as well. It leads to a huge amount of opportunities, both from a professional and from a non-professional standpoint as well, with a good all-rounded introduction to the business and IT world. You gather a huge amount of knowledge from having hands-on technical learning that often doesn't occur in other institutions. So you could come out with a technical foundation and understand how a business will work on the day-to-day basis.